How would you like to not have to pay property or state taxes?
A bill that would do just that is back in the legislature again, and one senator is hoping bringing it forward for the third time is the charm. Channel 8's Jatine Tinsley is at the Capitol today to tell you how this bill could save Nebraskans money. Jatine?
That's right, Megan, and there was a word that was repeatedly brought up in today's hearing in room 1524. That word was historical. Whether attendees were in favor of the bill or not, both proponents and opponents agreed that this bill could have a historic impact on Nebraskans. Dozens of people ready to testify on LB 79 filed into the hearing room to give their testimony on how the passing of this bill would be unprecedented. There isn't one state in the U.S. where homeowners don't pay property taxes. The bill that could set this in motion, well, it's called the Epic Consumption Tax, and it seeks to eradicate property taxes, income taxes, and corporate taxes. To make up the difference, under the proposed system, Nebraskans would pay only one tax to the state government, a sales tax of under 8% on all new goods and services. If it does pass, voters would then have the final say on whether to implement it when the bill heads to the polls. Proposed by Senator Steve Erdman, his opening remarks hit home with supporters of the bill. He said that people have lost their homes due to paying an exorbitant amount of never-ending taxes. Legislative Bill 79 seeks to end that. The bill would also end the taxation of used goods, something Allie French of Nebraskans Against Government Overreach supports.
For our government to re-tax over and over and over again on the same item. For example, your car, once you've bought your car, to be taxed on that car over and over and over again. Is it ever really yours? The way he has this written, the way it looks, the way it seems, is that then your property, what you've paid for, and if you buy something used that has already had the taxes paid on it, it's yours.
Groceries, used cars, and previously owned homes would not be taxed, and some in opposition of the bill shared concerns that regulating taxes on used purchases would be hard to regulate and cause a problem for the state revenue department. President of the Nebraska New Car and Truck Dealers Association, Lloyd Todd, says the passing of LB 79 would hurt new car dealerships immensely.
Why would you buy a new car and pay 7.5% plus whatever the local taxes might be on that, when you can buy a used car and pay nothing? And so that's what's going to happen. The shift's going to go there. It's going to be extreme.
Next up, the Revenue Committee will vote on whether to advance the bill to the legislative floor, where it will be up for debate. The bill would have to pass all three stages of debate to pass before being signed by the governor, where it would then make its way to the ballot next year.